now, if you open up the Excel file, which contains the data that we have collected using the Excel form that we have talked about in the last module, it's going to look something like this. And these are all the data that we have collected from the customers. In this Excel table, each row corresponds to a unique customer. Notice that Excel organized all the results that we have obtained using the Excel form as a data table. And all the items in the first row of the table is going to tell you the meaning of each column. And for example, this column E is going to contain customer names. And this column F is going to contain age of the customers, etc., etc. Okay, now, let's say if we want to add another column to keep track of the telephone numbers of customers. Then we can simply type in the name of the column, which is telephone number. And now you can see that the first row of this new column is having different color comparing to the other items in the first row. To format the new column as a table, we can simply select the entire column and then choose Format as Table. And if you want to use the first item in the column to label the column, you can simply check this option, My Tables has Headers. And now you can see that the first item becomes the label of the column. And then I'm going to sort these results according to customer names. To do it, under customer name, I simply choose Sort Ascendingly. And now you can see that all the results are sorted according to customer names. And then let's say I want to focus on the results for air conditioner. Then I can simply go to Report Item and then choose Filter. And I only focus on air conditioner. Then all the results will be about air conditioner.